Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, hi. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things that's good. In the seat, I man want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. Seeing? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and help grow the thing. Seeing? Yeah. I want to give a special big up, shout out to Winston Brightly. Seeing? Big up yourself, Winston Brightly. Seeing? I love the contribution. Massive contribution at the day. Give thanks. Somewhere I'm and think about, but you don't know. See, now I'll explain why to you, my brother. See? You see, it's a today day and age. You see, when you see certain killing where would appear strange or certain way across the rest of the world. It's like, I not say it becomes a norm in Jamaica because it's not so and shouldn't be so either. You see, because them they can't come normal now. See? But them are happen on such a regular scale nowadays. It's like, so well then you have to take stock and get a proper look in on the whole thing before you can even have an opinion. In a lot of cases, because enough of them people are involved themselves. Enough of them people are involved themselves in wrongdoings. Them facilitate it and them contribute to wrongdoings as well. Even though enough of them not do it themselves, but them see it as nothing. See, now, this argument is not in reference to this particular family. See, when people dead, a sorrow, a mourning and sorrow, a great loss. Seeing condolences to the family. Seeing that the 4 people were dead at Clarendon were there, the quadruple murder, according to the police commissioner style it. See it. Now, what go on with the whole of that is that when you get gunman going at people's house go kill 4 people like that, there's a side, a backstory to it, even though there is no justification for murder. See it. So more time you have to listen out for the backstory. Now, according to the police, it's a reprisal killing because somebody from this family go over our next family, go kill somebody, and the next family they decide say they might come back. See it. Now, incidentally it happened that them say the main culprit or shot caller behind it as somebody where they are prison, somebody who's presently incarcerated. See it. Now, the whole tragedy behind this, I mean, nothing can be more tragic than having 4 members of one family just dead like that. See, but again, you see, a significant part of the whole thing when enough people now observe is that the police had was pre-warned somehow, somewhat before all of this happened. You understand what I say? No, the police ultimate duty, is to prevent crime. But it's obvious that in this case, our police commissioner with all the resource, limited resource, no resource whatsoever, doesn't matter, he's got enough, could have prevented this from happening. Given his admission on national radio that he had intelligence of such. You understand what I say? Seeing, he also made another impression when he made the statement that upon getting this intelligence, they went there to arrest the accused, the alleged killer. You know, see it, and the rest of family was being boisterous and chased them off. That was his actual reply, as if it just clicked into him that they come upon, so police come to deal with you, and you know, want to deal with the police now, no dead. See? Admonish himself of all responsibility whatsoever. If he is conscious that he's got any in this instance. You understand? Because he act like it's not his duty and responsibility as a police duty and responsibility to prevent crime. This guy's motivated for solve crime. Unsolvable crimes as well. Crimes where in a few mind him already frustrated and given up. Because you can see from him emotion and him reaction to the quadruple murder. In a national statement on TV, the man finds somewhere in him where he can laugh about something regarding the whole incident. You know, see it. Bottom line is, police knows that this thing was going to happen. You know, see it. If they never put a physical presence on the ground, them could have, you know, them could have make some threat. Them could have make known to the perpetrator, say, listen, we know what we want to plan for do. You know, see it, and when it happen, we know who come for. Because just like how we know who want to happen, see we are going to know who would do it. All of the trigger man them. You know, see, get personal upon the ground. No disrespect. Big up yourself, Mr. McGregor. Superintendent, should be superintendent, senior superintendent by now or something like that, who used to monitor East Kingston, Rockford. You see it, one day I must give you a lesson upon how them youth there organize and design strategies and maintain order with no resource. We don't talk about liquor resource. With no resource. One Jeep, you know, see it. Yeah, them money do it. Them money are still police. We know all them money are abilities, them money are skills, the money technique is not being, you know, advanced upon. You know, see, but anyway, police are gonna know, say, 4 people are gonna dead. Even one person is gonna die. And sit back and do nothing about it. You understand what I say? It's the duty of the police officer to prevent that from happening. You know, see it, even with or without knowledge of the whole thing. You know, see it, it's a duty for prevent. Wait. That boy have to resign and go and get arrested as well. And the victim should be compensated by the state, Rasta. I mean, what on the for? What taxpayer pay on the for? For I go solve crime after it happen? This is what disgusts me. You see, I mean, nothing is more hurtful than one family member losing 4 people at the same time. But when you check a stack and know so well then, dear members, people in authority who could have attempted to avert such a course, you know, see it, yet still them sit back and after it happen, them find humor somewhat in the whole affair. You know, see it. These are the reasons and the issues why black life are so cheap. Because nowhere else in the world, no police commissioner, no member authority couldn't act like him not upon him knee I feel the same pain where the deceased parents feel as well. Whether it's real or fake. You understand what I say? It's a professional duty where I have to carry out. You don't see it. You don't see it. Plus, pay compensation whether them know yes or no, because it's the duty of the state to protect the citizens from atrocities like this reach them, not to investigate and solve the crime after the crime happen. I mean, 4 people don't lose them life already. How much people who have a sentence we could have did, you know, equate to the loss. What we not gonna do nowhere we can, you know, satisfy the hurt. You know, see it. You know, see it. All of this could have been prevented. The community could have gone under lockdown. The community could have gone under some serious, every blatant surveillance. You know, see it. We don't have intelligence. Say, man, I make phone call from prison now. No, go to prison, go check a man there and tell him, say, anything. We have your digit. We have your number. A lie you not tell someone you didn't know before. You know, see it. You, commissioner, whoever your name, you know, deserve the position, you know, deserve the post. You see, a people like why the country in the state of affair why it is that it is in today. You see, with a careless nature, with an irresponsible nature, because there's no consequence for no actions are inaction, Rasta. You see, you just did your work for a paycheck, I bleed the country dry. You see, the whole of I get paid same way while the people them locked down and I struggle with crime and violence, while them struggle with hunger and the threat of a virus, and nothing now happen to uno. You see, none of uno now get no discipline, no consequence, no talk down, no dress down, no nothing for no inaction. You know see it? Crime rampant. You know see it? Too much people dead in the space of one weekend. The other day, yeah? And commissioner can come and read, come and in a national, I give press conference and I smile. I chuckle how much the people them was rude to him when him go before for make them know, hey, listen, no matter where the people want to think or believe, your job was meted out the moment you get that there level of intelligence, be it true or lie. Your job is to take out them people in your yard and protect them until you establish others otherwise. You know see it, or find a cheaper alternative. You know see it. You know see it. Don't sit back and allow 4 people for dead and come and smile about it on national TV. You know see it. Show black people them. You know see it. And the easiest and the cheapest life that. You know see it. Make it was a Chinese or a foreigner or somebody where of a different color, complexion. You know see it. And you see the robust. You just see the level of effort when them put in the investigation for bring the culprit to justice. Furthermore, the crime would not happen. There would be no need for bring nobody to justice because that crime would have been professionally prevented, like what the police was meant to do. You know, see it. Police to come for solve crime, Rasta, they're not supposed to do that. A crime that is a preventable crime. It's not supposed to be any solving. It's not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to become a crime, Rasta. You don't see it. But just because of black people, them, and ghetto people, them, you don't see it. And of them things that we have to contend with every day. Hence the reason why no politician and no public figure are interested for do nothing for elevate the struggle or, ease off the gunman, pressure them off of the people and because them benefit from it, Rasta. Politicians and members of in authority benefit from it. You know, see it, because at least you can say the politician, the commissioner of police got a smile from the quadruple murder where him come out about in our press conference. You know, see it. You know, see it. You see, regardless of the facts, well, then him try establish, say, the people them involved somewhat by protecting for them relative. Watch a man, you can't go in a court, a mother, certain degree of relative, you can't go give evidence against a family member, but for give evidence, for say, paint a pretty picture of this family member, it's not acceptable in a court, Rasta. You see, the judge I want the jury and everybody. Basically, I tell them, so watch it's them right to come talk if they want to talk. You see, because them lie, I call them up. But basically disregard what them say. You see, because we can't charge family member for one lie for a family member, purge the court. You see, but we don't know if them will do it, I can do it. But them now gonna really push it because them expect it. Them expect it. That's why them not put no holy part. Credit to particularly a parent to come testify on behalf of a child. You don't see it. You don't see it. Family will do these things. They are emotionally aligned. You don't see it. Oh, we're not going to make it look like, say, well, then, no, it's a personal thing. You don't see it. Police professionalism no have no laugh in it, Rasta. You don't see it. What kind of petty dibby boy? This I say all our politics at Jamaica joking on the people them. Me say the youth them we're gonna clean. I'm gonna clean them, I gonna lock them youth here. You know see it? I gonna buy food put in a them youth here pocket. And a them I buy bullet put in a gun. And I gonna run things. Them youth here idiot. Them youth are not no head pan them body rasta. You know see it? The greatest advancement for them. They might ignore it. You see it? It's not about alleviating your stress and your struggle, Rasta. It's like when the man see a gun or hold a gun, them all of them problem gone. All of them problem disappear as long as them have a gun upon them. Them good. You know see it? You know see it? Cause all them little petty figures here, we say them are authority. A drop a certain sound and show certain carefree, callousness towards the item protection and safety, development and progress, and all them things there. And the item still sit down there and laugh and a gillan and a go on like say, it's just another day. Them type of people that can't have no interest at art, Rasta. The type of people that in them position they're supposed to have no interest on the protection at art. And that's them duty, that's them job. You see it? Yes, it's an opportunity for any little dibby, petty, hungry belly, licky criminal. You see it? So anybody will actually act like so well then, they mean well. And I feel them, space for do the job. But that not necessarily someone after a while, you see people buy them seed, man. You see it? You have to kick out some boy out of power, man. You know, like you think you don't have power. You know, so the people them where demand cleaner air in Britain, the clean air protesters them a do. You know, so when white people protest, what them go do? Them hit the government where it hurt them. Them go march pan the motorway, lockdown airport, lockdown street, a £1 million a mile. It costs the British government when you have a traffic jam on the highway. £1 million a mile. And within 15 minutes, every minute is a mile. Because within a minute, a mile what a traffic pile up. Remember 70 miles an hour the traffic them a come. And them come see traffic jam. So them have to pass. So quick everybody a come. Nobody now see it to drive slow until them reach near them can see it. And by them a braking distance, them start break. You see it. So in a long time. You see it. Them people you know if you hit them where it hurt. You see it and demand change and betterment, make government some little corrupt, dirty boy we are going like say them might ignore poor people and just a bite and a suck. You see it after the motorway, when the motorway them a run up and down, them a make for them money and airport a take off and plane a fly, them a make for them money and I eat for them food. Same way. You see it. Them no business of poor people are suffer about how poor people are feel because for them pocket is not being affected, Rasta. Poor people need to find them pocket and want demand for them pound of flesh. You see it? As a matter of fact, all flesh are phone. I want to supposed to give guy for them like a piece. You see it? But it's the other way around. You see it? And the youth them was meant to be the future. Get so lost. Get so lost. And sucked into the easy life. The easy life, meaning you can just take your brother life, a little ghetto man round there so. True you know nothing now come out of it. Just true you know. Commissioner go do them type of thing. Yeah. Smile and shrug him shoulder and say, hey, me did go tell them. And them go on like them bad. You see it, Rasta? And them thing why our youth, them, our gunman, them claims to them wicked because them know say, you can get, it's like robbing an old lady where you say I walk past with. I like tread bag Rasta. You see? So she walk past every day and know so she can't hardly buy tomato. You see? Yes, and still choose to grab her bag and search chop to know say nobody now go join the protest, join our protest and go against you. You see? It's the same thing. You just walk around the road go kill John because it's easy. Nobody now investigate that Rasta. Dick or Harry. You see? Anybody, you see it, and them consequence the poor people of Jamaica to live with. You see it, while the people them will get paid good money as well to do and help alleviate them thing there. Find it as a laughing matter. You see it. You see it. So this is what disgusts me. You see it. God, yes, poor people get themselves winding up and involved in all manner of corruption, you know, for various reasons. You know, see them find themselves there. But that does not detach from the facts of well, and them a human being and them have life too. You know, see, and what we are going to use for war and death, what we are going to use and say, yeah, them justifiably was killed. What we are going to use? You know, see, because for them family kill somebody from over so, obviously them all protect them family. See, me don't know to what depths. Me don't know how much and them go watch and peep and see the deceased, make phone call or text. I don't know the circumstance. We just know how all of the rules them work and the type of people them and people, how them apply themselves to the rule and get themselves involved in a certain things. We can just there and speculate. You know, see, but we can't jump and go assume nothing because at the end of the day, a life lasts. So I better we just hold we can when we have we assumption them. You know, see it. And no say, boy, I just saw it go. But this is no assumption. Rastafari knows so well then. The policeman did know. See, more than anything. The policeman more guilty more than the gunman that we do that. The police them a facilitator. You know, see it. You don't need 4 M16 to save them people alive. You don't need 4 police officers to save them people alive, Rasta. You know, see it. I don't think so. You know, see it. You know, see it. Whole heap of deterrent there where the police, the commissioner had at his disposal when he could have attempt Rasta. You know, see, rather than for take it personal, so the people them be, oh you forgot, you know, nobody now go turn over them family like that, Rasta. Who you know, or you can't say. You know, see, no, normally just put it out in the ear, say, that is a person of interest turning in yourself. I want to sit down and wait till the person come. Now that you not always gonna stop chase wanted man these days. If you come across him, I just saw. You know, see, so I understand how you expect the people them to go find them gunman family and carry him come go, no? They don't work like that. You know, see, them little gunman and a man has still nobody, I don't respect nobody that much. For nobody say, nobody can go look on them and tell you don't know if them all retaliate on the people and so the people are in farm and you pressure them and laugh after them, 4 of them dead in the house. That commissioner need to resign him, show him true colors on national media when he try give an assessment of the situation. You know, see, he's tactless. You see, emotionless. He's unrelatable to the situation we are going in Jamaica these days. You know, see, and when you have people like them, we can find smiling space in a moment like this. Regardless of the subject, as long as it's regarding, as long as it's concerning the quadruple murder Rasta, and laughing issue. No, you know that. You know, see it, that I might take on the issue. See? Apart from the fact that I always want civilian and poor people stay away from certain things and don't get involved. You know, see, because the gunman them out there, I go get away with it when them come murder or no. No police now investigate a sacrifice on a life. You know, see, stop. The gunman now just come chasing and killing you just so you know if you know what them. Gunman keep them thing towards themselves. You know, say straight shot an accident what happen and them thing there. You know, see, but the moment you start finding yourself associated certain way, some people do it for the pride, some people do it for the props where it come with the ghetto prestige. If you know say you're associated with a gunman and you have a gunman family and thing and nobody now look for you, nobody can chat to you and you can do this and you can do that. And all them things, how long it all lasts? Usually how long it lasts for. You know, see, no for you just living a life while this is the moment. You just living a life in the moment, not thinking about the long-term ramification, the future. You know, see, so you go getting yourself associated with a man who is easily eliminated. You know, see, an expendable character. See, you bring that in our life and take on all of the crosses will come with it. That's why when I do I think, I hang out with certain people because I just tell myself say everybody have a certain level of heat pandemic. You know, see, me know my heat. Me don't know a man heat. When a man bringing heat come side of me, good come amplify my heat. My heat dim. A theme light. This a shining a brighter place and all a theme attention. All the eyes them look for him start look for me too. You know, see it. You know, see it. A simple arithmetic. You know, see it. Keep yourself out. Keep your crosses to you. Rasta. You know, see, from you love one them a great thing. You're an independent human being, a Rasta, go your way, do your own thing, get your little residence over so. No need your protection. You know, see, if you don't have a gunman in your family, you need protection from gunman repercussion and them things. You know, see, crime happen, robbery and all that sort of abuse and them things that happen. You know, see, but the likelihood for somebody come kill 4 round out on a family, well, don't have nothing to do with nobody, you know, see people business, you just go through. You know, see, you know, see, it's unlikely. You know, see, so it hurt my spirit. You know, see, but again, it's very little you can really jump up and say when you see incident like that happen. You know, see, because you have to consider how and why or what. You know, see, you can't just say, look like them people I was in farm and move. Because I see girl a come and sitting and show gun in a waist and gun this police woman. I said some petty example with gun and a talk about Ray. Them a move like them and really shot a girl. You know, see, them not move like them a professional police officer. You know, see, them a move like bro God. You know, them clerks and them. Well, them example the bro God said, anyway, let's keep it street and stay relatable to what's going on. As if what's going on is acceptable. You know, see it. You know, see it. The country has got to a psychologically depraved state. Right now, the morality regarding somebody needs to take a drastic measure to try to change the style, change the turn, change the route away. The nature of things are got today, Rasta. It happen all the while. It can happen. But our dirty lazy politicians them and leaders, community leaders and so on, find it easier, less imaginative to go along with the norm where the public has said and act like so well and thrive off of it. See, because you not have to brainstorm and come up with nothing, you know, see, nothing, so nothing, you know, see it. You know, see it. John no get up people. My heart grave, man. You know, see it. My heart grave. Our official them, our authority figure them prove it every day. Say, them not care about I and I Rasta. Mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. And I give thanks. You know, see it. Rastafari.